Here's an old retro buck 110 that I retipped for a customer and sharpened. He snapped probably about 3/8 of an inch of the tip off. This is one of the old bucks in 440C, not the 420. Really nice knife. Butter smooth action. Still as crisp today as it was 30 years ago. I put a nice mirrored edge on it for him. It's a razor now. And it's back ready to go. Those old buck in 440C, were so much better than they are in the 420. Like, these are really classic knives. And of course, this is a total razor blade. The paper wasn't bent. Anyways, excellent knife, razor sharp. It'll hold that edge for a decent bit of time too. The 440 was so much better. Sorry, I can't get the camera to focus, but anyways, a back in business 110. Y'all have a good day.